Hey guys, welcome back with me again in the channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can apply the same edits created by other users on Picsart. So in here, in Picsart, there is a Picsart Replay where you can apply the same edits process by other creators to your own photos. So in here, if you open Picsart, you'll be on this explore page, and there are lots of photos created by other users that you can select and then try the edit on your photo. So here I'm going to try to apply this one, for example. So just click on try and then select the photos that you want to edit. Okay, for example, I'm going to apply it to this photo. Okay, so now the replay just asking me to crop the photo. Just follow along with the steps. So there are 3 steps that I need to follow. Click on next. Now this step 2 is adding objects. Next again. And lastly, effect. So this is the final result. Click on a check icon at the top right corner. And then here click on the arrow down to save the result. So this is the Picsart Replay. And thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.